The last tense marker to negate is kua, and we have left this till last because it is the trickiest. Kua is translated with has or have. Kua kai aho, I have eaten. The negation of kua is a little bit unexpected. Kāore, ano, kia. For example, kāore, ano, o, kia kai. And this has quite a specific meaning. I have not eaten yet. So if someone asks, have you gone to taupo? You could answer, kāore, ano, o, kia. Haere atu ki taupo. I have not been to taupo yet. Well, I have to say, it's a little bit weird if you've never been to taupo. Not judging, that's okay. So this sentence structure is quite specific. If I asked you, have you been arrested for smuggling heroin into Turkey and spent 10 years in a Turkish prison, like in the movie, and if you answered, well, I haven't yet, it kind of leaves open the possibility, and it's a little bit scary. You should watch the movie. Anyway, if you want to say that you will not do something, you would use kāore o e. I will not smuggle heroin into Turkey or anywhere. Kāore o e, smuggle heroin. So, for example, if I asked you, have you eaten crocodile meat? You might answer, I will not eat crocodile meat. Kāore o e kai ite miti kāra ko tā era. But maybe you might say, well, kāore ano o kia kai ite miti kāra ko tā era. I have not eaten crocodile meat yet, and maybe one day you will. So, kāore ano o kia haere, I have not gone yet. Kāore ano koe kia waiata, you have not sung yet. Kāore ano ngā tamariki kia tākaro I te kēmu, the children have not played the game yet. Kāore ano ameri kia piki I te maunga, Mary has not yet climbed the mountain. Kāore ano arangi kia whakapai I tōna ruma moi, Rangi has not yet tidied his room. Kāore ano rāua kia kororo ki te kaiako o a rāua tamariki. Whew, those two have not yet spoken to their children's teacher. Kāore ano o kia haere atu ki Ahiteria. I have not yet been to Australia. It's a true story. I could go and eat crocodile meat, or not.